So here we go. Just gorgeous out here, honestly. There's my boy. Hey everyone, so the family and I are visiting from Negros. We're going to Buddha, but specifically Benoit and Hills View, Mountain View, or something like that.
I love it.
Overloaded. Everyone, so we are headed to Buddha. As I said before, here's my dog Aries. Headed to Benoit potentially, and Hills Mountain View. Everyone, so we are getting gas now at the local Shell station, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna document what it costs to go to Bukidnon with a van. I am putting 2,000 pesos into the van, see how long that lasts us. So if you guys are wanting to travel and wanting to, you know, the only bad thing about Davao is you have to really travel out to go see these sites. And that's my boy. Grow the channel by hitting that like button. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So we are back at Mohegans. Over there, you can't really see it, but we're back there. We're gonna go have all-day breakfast. We are back at Mohegans because familiar place. I don't really know any other place in the Buddha area, but the food does taste good and is fairly priced. Mohegans is beautifully set on the side of the road, and you know, going to Buddha, going to like Benoit and all those other things. But as you can see, like super breezy here. The background is very, very nice. Yeah, the place is pretty rustic. Like I said, it reminds me of tables that my family used to have, these older tables. But the way it's set up is really nice. Simple, nothing too crazy, and a lot of really like eclectic. I think the owner loves Indian motorcycles. I see Indian everything, as in like, check this out. Like, I don't know if you see that over there, right? And there is, I have to tell you, there is a Indian motorcycle on the outside there. So I got the, come here baby boy. I got the Frank con chile, which is like pretty much it looks like a hot dog, but I don't know what protein. A little bit of chili, and a decent set of rice, and a scrambled egg. So for about $4.30, $4.29, I think it's a good purchase. $10, $8, right, or something like that. But tastes pretty good. I can tell right now. It's tastes pretty fresh. What I ate before here. What did I eat before here, babe? Like quesadilla and stuff like that, and that tasted good as well. So if you are in the Buddha area and you are coming up this way to go to like the like Benoit. We're gonna go to Hills View today. You gotta check out Mohegans because it tastes pretty good, honestly.
Video na mo. Video daw. A picture.
Hey everyone, we're here at Hillsview Mountain. What's that, Mountain Village? Mountain Villa. So I'm here with my friend. What's your pangalan nimo? J-Boy. Hey, I'm with my friend J-Boy right here. There you go, right there. Oh, there you go. Here, hold it here. So we're gonna go up the hill real quick, and he's gonna videotape me, and we'll see what happens from there.
1, 2, 3. Upadan, ma'am. Anak mo. 1, 2, 3. Matik.
Let me see.
So let's go up. We're gonna go upstairs.
Wayo ka kayo rin mo doon. One month po.
We're here. Hey. So we're gonna go to this view real quick. You see how beautiful it is. It looks very beautiful from here already. Wow, look at that. Oh wow. So what's up guys? So we are at this I guess one point here in Hillsview, if you ever do come here. Just look at the view here. That's beautiful right there. I don't know if you see that. Let me try to focus in. Focus in on that. That is beautiful. Let me change. So right there you can see the landscape, the mountainscape here. That's beautiful, honestly. So we are here at this little rooftop little setup here. It feels a bit weird because it's a bit shaking right now. So I'm a bit real weird going at the very edge. But it's on a tree, but just the view is really amazing. Like super, oh my goodness. Just right there. I do want to live here, something like this.
Very nice.
Very far from everything. Very beautiful. We're going to another part of the Hillsview Mountain Villa here. Look at it. The area's going crazy. Here we go. My man is helping me so much here. Really appreciate it. The stairs are pretty freaking high over here. Boom. So we're just slowly going up the steps over here. Wow. View's amazing. Very amazing. Let's go, boy. Let's review itself. Come on. Up. Go another flight of stairs. Wow. Whoa. Once again, not disappointed with the view here. This is like another like point of I guess picture taking here at Hills View Mountain Resort. I gotta hold them at the same time. I'm gonna try to lower it a little bit because it's gonna be out. Let's make it dark a little bit. So here we go. So check out the view behind me. Right there. Still amazing, honestly. Right, worth the walking, everything. Just gorgeous out here, honestly. There's my boy. Just gorgeous out here. Just gorgeous. Nonetheless, you got to make it out here. It's Hillsview Mountain Villa. Really, really love it right here. Oh. And the entrance, I believe, is only 80 pesos, so nothing crazy. I'm gonna be climbing this little mountain thing there. I look forward to it. Let's go. See what the view is up here. Let's lower it. Let's lower it. Ready? Let's go up. Let's go up more. Let's go up. So here we go. Wow. Beautiful view. Look what I see, guys. What a view. Just amazing. Just amazing. God has given us. It's so awe-inspiring to be in places like this, honestly. Look at the view. Look at everything around me. Just, I don't know.